In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage email filters in Yahoo Mail to organize your inbox effectively. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to automatically sort your emails, keeping your important messages easily accessible while reducing clutter. First things first, you'll want to log into your Yahoo Mail account using a web browser. Once you're logged in and on your main email dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon, which is the gateway to your settings. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select More Settings. This will take you to a new page dedicated to various customization options for your email account. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a sidebar with different categories. Look for the option labeled Filters and click on it. Filters are essentially rules you can set up to automatically organize incoming emails based on certain criteria. Once you've clicked on Filters, you'll see a button that says Add New Filters. Go ahead and click that button to begin creating your first email filter. Now it's time to get a bit creative and name your filter. Choose something descriptive that reflects the purpose of your filter, such as work emails. Naming your filters thoughtfully will make managing them much easier down the line, especially if you have multiple filters in place. Next, you'll define the filter rules. This is where you specify how Yahoo Mail should sort your emails. You have several options here, such as filtering by the sender's email address, a particular subject line, or specific keywords found in the email's content. Consider what criteria are most relevant for the emails you wish to organize and choose accordingly. For instance, if you want all emails from your boss to go into a specific folder, you might filter by their email address. After setting the rules, decide where you want Yahoo to move the emails that meet your criteria. Choose a folder where these messages will be directed. If you already have folders like work or family, you can select one of those. If you need a new folder, simply create it in your Yahoo Mail before setting up the filter. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save to activate the filter. This will instantly apply the changes you've made, and soon enough, you should see incoming emails being sorted according to the rules you've defined. Feel free to repeat this process to create as many additional filters as you need. Each filter will help streamline and manage the steady flow of emails into your inbox. By setting up these simple automations, you'll ensure that your Yahoo Mail is working efficiently for you, keeping your digital life organized and stress-free. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to bring order